When you have for example, something, say for example, you ask your prayer, you seek the forgiveness of Allah. Allah will forgive you always. Just forgive you regarding things that are sins between you and Him, the rights of a third party, using the rights of another human being. You are playing dangerous territory because that human being if Allah forgive. So those sins are even worse. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us forgiveness. A person engaged in shirk, which is association or partnership with Allah, as bad as it is, if they were to turn to Allah before death, and they were to read their shahada, or they were to repent, they would be forgiven by Allah. That's in the Quran. It says that clearly. And He will forgive sins, subhanAllah. Unless a person dies in the condition of shirk, that is dangerous territory. But what else is dangerous territory? When you fellow human being, they may never forgive you. Everyone is forgiving. And sometimes it's so difficult for others that we drive them to suicidal thoughts, and we think we're going to get around thinking, please, someone to suicidal thoughts, to empower, to speak to them, to show them, to give them words of guidance, to let them know the merciful is so that whatever they've done could be wiped out, to give them a few words of comfort, to tell them that whatever bad or whatever difficulty and hardship they're going through, make it easy for them, is are definitely going to come. Instead of that, we smash them onto the ground in a way that even when they were concerned with suicide, it became a real thought in their minds and hearts. May Allah protect us. We would never like to be a person who, because of their speech or actions or deeds, another person felt they didn't want to live anymore. So, why would that? Why would a Muslim do that? Subhanallah.